Hi friends, welcome to Club Baby EDU. Today we're going to learn about some really unusual animals. These animals look funny and do strange things, but that's what makes them so amazing. Let's meet these cool creatures. The pangolin first. Let's talk about the pangolin. The pangolin is covered in hard, scaly plates, kind of like a little walking pine cone. When it feels scared, it rolls up into a ball to protect itself. Pangolins also have a very long tongue that they use to eat ants. Isn't that strange? The Okapi. This animal looks like a mix between a zebra and a giraffe. It has long legs and a long neck like a giraffe, but it also has stripes on its legs like a zebra. The Okapi lives in the forests and is very shy, so people don't see it very often. It's like a secret animal. The capybara. The capybara is the biggest rodent in the world. It looks like a giant guinea pig and is super friendly. Capybaras live in groups near water, like rivers and lakes, because they love to swim. They have webbed feet, which helps them swim really well. Capybaras are herbivores, which means they eat grass and plants. They are very gentle and calm animals, and they get along with lots of other animals, even birds and monkeys. The capybara is like the chilliest animal you'll ever meet. The armadillo. Let's meet the armadillo. This small animal has a hard shell on its back that it uses like armor. When the armadillo feels scared, it can roll up into a tight ball to protect itself, just like the pangolin. Armadillos also like to dig in the ground to find food and make their homes. The sloth. The sloth is one of the slowest animals in the world. It moves so slowly that moss can grow on its fur. Sloths spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees. They sleep a lot and only come down from the trees once a week to go to the bathroom. Sloths are super chill and love to take it easy. The aardvark. This animal has a long snout and big ears. Aardvarks love to eat ants and termites, just like the pangolin. They use their strong claws to dig into the ground and find their food. Aardvarks are nocturnal, which means they like to come out at night when it's cool and quiet. The axolotl. This little animal lives in the water and looks like it's always smiling. What's really weird about the axolotl is that it stays like a baby for its whole life. It can even grow back parts of its body if it gets hurt. Isn't that neat? The star-nosed mole. This tiny animal lives underground and has a funny nose that looks like a star. The mole uses its special nose to feel around in the dark where it lives. This nose helps the mole find its food really fast, even when it can't see. The narwhal. Have you heard of a unicorn? The narwhal is like a unicorn of the sea. It's a big animal that lives in cold water and has a long, twisty horn on its head. This horn is actually a really long tooth. It makes the narwhal look magical, like something from a fairy tale. The leafy sea dragon. Let's swim into the ocean to meet the leafy sea dragon. This animal looks like a plant. It has lots of leaf-like fins that help it hide in the seaweed. The leafy sea dragon is very good at hiding from other animals that might want to eat it. And that's all for today, little friends. We've met some of the unusual animals on Earth, each with their own special features that help them survive. Remember, every animal is special in its own way, just like you. See you next time on the Unusual Animals at Club Baby EDU. Join us again soon at clubbabyedu.com, where the fun never ends.